Hello, this is Victor from Black Pisces Production, and you're watching the How to Mix Power Metal video series. In the previous video, I showed you how I mixed the vocal tracks. Today, I'm going to show you how I made an artificial choir. In the last chorus, I recorded 6 more vocal tracks to give it even more space. The main melodies are panned 90% to the left and 90% to the right. The octaves are panned 70% to the left and 70% to the right, and the harmonies are panned 80% to the left and 80% to the right. This is how it sounds before mixing. And this is how the choir sounds after mixing. I use only the Virtual Mix Rack plugin on the individual choir tracks with the classic tubes, VCC channel and FG2A modules. For these tracks, I chose the FG251 mic model. The VCC channel is set to Group 4. The settings are the following: Breathe 4K E mode, drive at 9 dBs and input at -6.3 dBs. The FG2A compressor is used in limit mode. It is showing 10 to 20 dBs of gain reduction. We use the compressor to reduce the dynamic range of the individual tracks. I sent all individual tracks into the choir group track. The first insert on this channel is the Infinity EQ plugin. I boosted 7 dBs above 7 kHz and cut 2.71 dBs at 454 Hz. I used the high-pass filter to cut everything below 122 Hz and the low-pass filter to cut everything above 13.5 kHz. The second insert on this channel is the LoudMax plugin. This plugin is a free limiter. I used it to control the loudness of the choir. And now these two plugins together. The choir group track was sent into the short delay, long delay, room and reverb effects tracks. These effects help the choir sound more like a whole, not just like individual vocal tracks. Today I showed you how I made an artificial choir. If this video was helpful for you, please click the like button, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. In the next part of the video series, we are going to take a look at the vocal bus. Thank you for watching, see you next time.